Hello, so good morning everyone. So welcome sa ating 30 days effective roadmap for passing agricultural licensure examination. So this morning, so pasensya na, ah, na yung area natin is malapit sa daan, highway. So maingay. So hopefully sana yung voice or yung mga sasakyan medyo malisin natin. So hahanap tayo ng noise reducer. So by the way, tapos na po tayo sa agricultural extension, agricultural economics. Now proceed po tayo sa animal science. So ang animal science is isa din sa mga paborito kong subjects. So by the way, our first topic in animal science is animal breeding and genetics. So hopefully, ma-understand nyo lahat ng mga sinasabi ko at makatch up nyo. If hindi nyo makatch up, ulit-ulitin lang nyo po. So, maraming salamat. So, we will proceed. So, question number 1. Bus difference blank. So, anong purpose ng bus difference? Empty into the urinary blood, bypasses the urethra to direct fuse with the ureters, joint to become the ejaculatory duct that enters the urethra, fuses with the prostate gland, which bat the sperm in milky fluid, extend all the way to the tip of the penis. So, ano pong pinaka-example nito? So, anong pong purpose ng vas deferens? Ang vas deferens is bypasses the urethra to direct fuse with the ureter. So, yan po ang tamang sagot. So, what is the name of the most matured follicle? What is the name of the most matured follicle? Ang tawag po dyan is luteinizing follicle, Graafian follicle, zygote, egg cell. Ang tawag po sa matured is Graafian follicle. The interval from the beginning of the heat period to the beginning of next heat. Ito, nag-heat siya. Tapos, ang interval niya is example sa swine is 21 days after to the next heat. So, 21 days, di ba? So, anong tawag dyan? Estrous cycle, estrous period, conception, fertilization. Ang tawag dyan is estrous cycle. Ang kanyang cycle. Sa tao naman is 28 days yung estrous cycle niya. So, what hormone keep the uterus in perfect condition for the developing fetus? What hormone keep the uterus in a perfect condition for the developing fetus? Anong tawag? Oxytocin, prostaglandin, umbilical cord, progesterone. Ang tawag na hormone is progesterone. Semi-fluid is composed of sperm, prostate gland secretion, seminal vesicle secretion, bulbourethral gland secretion. Anong tawag? Seminal fluid is composed of all of the above: sperm, prostate gland secretion, seminal vesicle secretion, bulbourethral gland secretion. All of the above po ang tamang sagot. So, intestines are blank which support, nourish, and regulate the spermatogenic cells of the seminiferous tubules. So, sino ang nag-nourish at nag-regulate ng spermatogenic cells of the seminiferous tubule? Sino? Anong cell? Anong part? Sperm, prostate gland, seminal vesicle, bulbourethral gland, Sertoli cells. Anong tawag? Ulitin natin. In the testes are blank which support, nourish, and regulate the spermatogenic cells of the seminiferous tubules. Anong tawag? Sperm, prostate gland, seminal vesicle, bulbourethral gland, Sertoli cell. Ang tawag is Sertoli cell. What linked the embryo to placenta? What linked the embryo to placenta? Horn of the uterus, oviduct, umbilical cord, loop of Henle. Ang nag-link sa embryo, yung baby at saka sa placenta is umbilical cord. Number 8. The period of one heat or a period of sexual receptivity in the female is termed as this is the time for receptive, sexual receptive siya. So, anong tawag niyan? Estrous cycle, estrous period, estrous heat, fecundity. Anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is estrous period. This is the time or the period of her sexuality receptive. So, infundibulum narrow in the tube of what? Infundibulum narrow into what tube? Vagina, Graafian tube, Fallopian tube, cervix. Ang infundibulum at saka fallopian tube is iisa lang yan na term. Ang tawag dyan is infundibulum at fallopian tube is iisa lang yan. So, anong tamang sagot? Vagina, Graafian tube, fallopian tube, cervix. Ang tamang sagot is fallopian tube. The act of mating is termed as breeding, copulation, sex, intercourse. And the act of mating is copulation. Sperm nucleus is the example, di ba? Ito yung sperm, may capsule siya tapos may flagellum. So, saan dyan ang sperm nucleus? The middle, middle phase, tall, and whole sperm. Ang tamang sagot is the head. It contains the nucleus. What do you call the hard disk-like structure found in the placental fluid after parturition? Ang sa Bisaya pa is the inunlan, or after manganak yung last part, yung placenta. Anong tawag dyan? Hypomane, placidum, chorionic epithelium, uterine endothelium. So, anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is hypomane, inunlan, hypomane. Female parent is called what? Female parent, father, mother, dam, sire. Tawag dyan is dam. A chromosome contain a haploid set of chromosome, enzyme. Acrosome contain what? A haploid set of chromosome, enzyme allowing the sperm to penetrate the egg, mitochondria wrap around the microtubules to prevent the movement, interstitial cell stimulating hormone, testosterone. Ang acrosome po is nasa top of the head of the sperm. So, yan ang gagamitin. It is a enzyme allowing the sperm to penetrate the egg. Pasensya na po sa noise ng mga motor, sasakyan. Pasensya na po. Sana po okay lang tong voice record natin, hindi siya maingay. So, number 16. Through what structure does the egg pass going down from the ovary to the uterus? Saan siya dadaan? Galing sa ovary. Yung egg natin galing sa ovary papunta sa uterus. Anong daanan niya? Vagina, placenta, cervix, fallopian tube. Ang tawag dyan is fallopian tube. Example, dito ang, di ba, dalawa yan. Ito ang dalawang ovary. Ang ovary, ang matured or Graafian follicle, ma-release siya, dadaan siya sa fallopian tube, papuntang uterus. Ang dito sa uterus, dyan yung, dyan, tapos sa pababa, yan ang cervix. So, yung cervix, hindi. Yung placenta, hindi. Yung vagina, hindi. So, from ovary to uterus is fallopian tube. So, when should you feed the calf colostrum? Kailan ka mag-feed ng colostrum? Within 24 hours after birth, after 5 to 10 hours after birth, just a few minutes after birth, just a few hours after birth. So, anong tawag? Ang tamang sagot is C, just a few minutes after birth. The act of giving birth in carabaos. Kalbing, karakalbing, kiding, lambing. Ang tawag dyan is karakalbing. So, napansin nyo sa animal science, ang question natin is more on definition and terms and trivial question. So, ganyan. So, matured sperm cell are called spermatogenesis, spermatid, secondary spermatozoa. Ang tawag sa matured na sperm is, ang tawag dyan is spermatozoa. Spermatozoa. How long does the sperm life after it deposit in the dam's reproductive tract? Example, ilang oras siya yung lifespan niya sa loob ng dam reproductive tract. 24 hours, 2 days, 1 day within a month. So, isipin nyo. So, ang lifespan po ng sperm cell is within 24 hours lang po siya. Dapat makapasok na siya sa egg. If hindi siya makapasok sa egg, hindi po siya, no fertilization. The act of giving birth of sow. Farrowing, falling, kindling. Ang tawag dyan is farrowing. What is the name of the vesicle of the tip of the sperm that contain enzyme that will help the sperm cell penetrate an egg cell it encountered? Anong tawag nga? Yon is acrosome. Acrosome is an enzyme na sa head ng sperm to penetrate the egg. A procedure using hormone to alter the estrous cycle to bring into heat at the time. Anong tawag niyan? Ang tawag, di ba, may mga product tayo na pampa-estrus, example, gonadin. Tawag diyan gonadin. So, anong klaseng method? Artificial insemination ba? Moet, super ovulation, estrosynchronization. Anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is estrosynchronization. The lining and the inner layer of the uterus is called, anong tawag dyan? Cervix, vagina, labia, endometrium, epididymis. So, ito yung ovary, fallopian tube, tapos sa uterus, itong buong uterus. So, sa female, itong layer na to is ito yung regla nila. Ito yung regla nila. Pag hindi yan walang fertilization occur, yung egg kasama yung endometrium, lalabas yan. Yan yung maging regla nila. So, anong tawag niyan? Ang tamang sagot dito, inner lining and inner layer of the uterus is called endometrium. So, kusa lang yan malalaglag after hindi ma-fertilize. Abnormal heat cycle length, lack of heat periods, or animal in constant heat could be caused by what? Anong tawag? So, abnormal yung heat niya, yung length, araw-araw na lang siya nag-iinhit, tapos ang length niya is sobrang tagal, sobrang aga, then lack of heat period, hindi na siya nag-iinhit, or animal with constant heat. Anong tawag dyan? Anong cause? Caused by what? Poor diet, poor environmental condition, cystic ovary, hormonal imbalance. So, anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is cystic ovary. May cyst sa ovary niya. Which steroid hormone is produced naturally in the male in sufficient qualities to the after of the gonads? So, steroid hormone produced naturally in male. Anong tawag niyan? Sperm, aldosterone, estrogen, testosterone. Estrogen is babae. Sperm, hindi. Hormone nga yung pinakita. Aldosterone, di natin alam. Ang tamang sagot dito is testosterone. When a donor of cow embryo is transferred to the recipient cow, this is called, anong tawag? AI, embryo transfer, embryo synchronization, superovulation. Ang tawag dyan is embryo transfer. So, ETT. Ang tawag dyan, embryo transfer technology. So, the union of sperm and egg is called, anong tawag? Yung mag-unite ang egg at saka sperm. Ovulation, conception, fertilization, gestation. Gestation is panganganak. Conception is yung receptive siya. Ovulation is the way the egg to be matured. So, ang tawag dyan, yung sperm at saka yung egg mag-meet is fertilization. The act of fertilization is called the act of fertilization. The act, yung pag-meeting nila, pag-meeting is tawag ovulation, conception, fertilization, gestation. Tawag dyan is conception. The corpus luteum produce what? Corpus luteum produce what? Which inhibit the ovulation. Corpus luteum produce what? Anong tawag? Luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, estrogen, progesterone, prolactin. Ang tawag dyan is progesterone. Progesterone at saka oxytocin, itong dalawang hormone na to is yan yung pampalaglag. Oxytocin at saka progesterone. Kaya nga sa mga pills ng babae, na 'di ba yung pills nandiyan progesterone. So corpus luteum yan, hormone yan na inhibit ang ovulation. So allantois is what? Allantois is what? Occur in poultry but not in ruminants. It is outgrowth of the amnion in all animals producing it, contribute blood vessel to the umbilical cord in the mammals, becomes the placenta in the mammals. So, ang allantois is maging silbi siyang blood vessel to the umbilical cord in mammal. So, yung umbilical cord natin, may blood stream dyan, blood vessel. Ang tawag dyan is allantois. What are the membrane of placenta? What are the membranes of placenta? Endometrium, exometrium, perimetrium, exact alatochondrion, decidue basalis, amnion, allantoic, anchorion, epiblast, hypoblast, tropoblast. So, kung siseryosohin talaga ang animal science, napakahirap siya kasi para tayong veterinary dito eh. So, if veterinary lang yung maggawa ng question, napakahirap. Animal disease pa, madami pa. So, dami tayong titingnan sa animal science. At the same time, dami nating dapat ma-studyhan. So, kaya nga, nandito tayo sa breeding and genetics. So, what are the membranes of placenta? The membranes of placenta is amnion, allantois, and chondrion. Tatlo. The lining of the uterus which the embryo implants itself is called, anong tawag? Tropoblast, endometrium, yolk, at saka lanugo. Ang tawag dyan is endometrium. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Ito yung uterus nyo, may lining dyan. Ang tawag dyan is endometrium. If na-fertilize yung egg dyan, if babalutin siya ng endometrium, maging placenta hanggang maging baby. If walang occur na fertilization, yung egg at saka endometrium, anong magiging kuwan? Yan is matatanggal yan ng kusa na form of blood cells, blood. Kaya nga yung regla natin yan yung endometrium. regla ng mga babae natin. Sige, so when an offspring is first expelled from the dam, what is the first thing you should look? If nanganak na yung example, pig or cow, carabao, anong titingnan natin? Provide colostrum agad. The offspring is breathing, immunization, provide baby food. Hindi mag-provide ng baby food, hindi din mag-immunization. Ang tawag dyan is the offspring is breathing. So, tatanggalin natin yung placenta at mga mucus, papahira natin yung nose para yung daloy ng oxygen makapasok sa lungs niya. The act of giving birth in mares. Mares is babaeng kabayo. Anong tawag? Fowling po yan. A technique where the sperm fertilize the ovum and laboratory dish grow into a young embryo in a laboratory and then transferred to the animal is called, anong tawag niyan? Artificial insemination, embryo transfer, cloning, in vitro fertilization. Ang tawag dyan is in vitro fertilization. Sa tao, ginagamit ito yung mga mayayaman na gusto nila magkaanak pero may problema sa kanilang sperm counts, ganun. So, ang scientist, kumukuha siya ng egg, embryo doon at minamatured siya sa petri dish. Tapos, mag-ejaculate yung lalaki, kukuha na yung mga matured na mga sperm. I-fuse sila, they're mag-undergo ng fertilization. Pero sa loob na siya ng embryo. Nabuhay na yun, na-fertilize na yun, tsaka i-transfer doon sa loob. So, what chemical messenger causes the uterus to contract during labor at birth? So, what chemical messenger? Ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ang main talaga during labor is oxytocin. Oxytocin at prostaglandin is mga pampalaglag ito. Ang prostaglandin is hindi, example sa ovulation, hindi niya minamatured yung egg cell. Yun lang. During the labor or birth, ang marami dyan na hormone is oxytocin. Kaya nga yung sa didi ng mama, kailangan ng oxytocin para masikret niya yung gatas. Oxytocin po ang tawag dyan. Pati rin sa, titingnan nyo, di ba, if may mga babae ng anak, i-induce sila. Ang induce niyan, kasama sa dextrose, may oxytocin yun para pag-induce niya, makontract. Mataas na yung level of oxytocin niya. Kaya yung katawan ng tao sa utak, ang dami ng oxytocin. Dapat ma-secrete na to, dapat malabas na yan. So itong mga hormone na to. So ang tamang sagot is oxytocin. What is the shedding of the follicle by the ovary? Anong tawag niyan? Shedding. Ang shedding is if matured na yung egg sa, di ba, nandyan dyan sa ovary, i-release siya, shedding. Anong tawag dyan? Fertilization, parturition, estrus, ovulation. Ang tawag dyan is ovulation. Na-release na siya papunta na siya, na-release. The male parent is sire. The act of giving birth in those, anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is kidding. Ang sagot po is kidding. Dose po, wrong spelling lang yun. Ganun ba spelling ng dose? Ganun. So, kidding po. So, number 41, the placenta function as an. Anong function ng placenta? Bakit gumawa if naniniwala kayo sa Diyos, bakit ginawa ng Diyos ang placenta, or bakit based on science, bakit may placenta? So, anong purpose ng placenta? Placenta function as an excretory organ, respiratory organ, endocrine organ. So, all of the above po ang tamang sagot. The middle piece of the sperm. Example, ito yung head ng sperm. May middle pa siya at saka flagella. So, anong tawag? So, carry the food. Carry the food necessary to nourish the head of the sperm. Carries the enzyme necessary to penetrate the egg outer layer. Acrosome, di ba? Hindi, nandun siya sa tape. So, contain mitochondria to provide energy to propel the flagellum tail, secrete testosterone. So, ang tamang sagot po dito is contain mitochondria that provide energy to propel the flagellum tail. So, anong purpose ng mitochondria? Mitochondria, sa purpose niya is powerhouse of the cell. Siya yung powerhouse of the cell, siya yung lagayan ng energy. So, saan kumukuha ng energy yung tail ng sperm? So, dyan sa middle piece of the sperm. So, nandyan nakakontain ang mitochondria. So, ang tamang sagot is mitochondria. So, 43. At what stage of parturition do the following event took place? The dam supplement with strong propulsive pushing effort and expulsion of the fetus. Yung mag-iri na siya, parang ganun. So, anong stage na yan ng parturition? First stage, second stage, third stage, labor stage. Ang tawag dyan na stage is second stage. The interstitial cells produce GRH, gonadotropic releasing hormone, hindi estrogen, hindi testosterone, hindi ko alam, sperm, all of the above. Ang interstitial cells is nandyan siya sa male reproductive organ. So, this is the cell to produce what? Testosterone po. Veterinarian tells a farmer that a farmer heifer is barren. Ano po? Heifer is ang cow na hindi pa nagbuntis, hindi pa siya nanganak. Heifer po ang tawag. Is barren. Barren. So what does it mean by barren? Is barren. Barren is barren, is healthy, is pregnant, is sterile. Ang tawag dyan is sterile. Sterile means baog. So, the act of giving birth in iwis. Ang tawag dyan is iwis para yan sa mga sheep or carnero. Ang tawag dyan is lambing. Gonadotropic hormone are released by hypothalamus, anterior pituitary, interstitial cells, ovaries, thyroid. So, saan ang gonadotropic hormone na nire-release? So, nasa interior pituitary, sa brain yan, brain. So, there are two gonadotropic hormone, blank, testosterone and estrogen, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. So, interstitial cells stimulating hormone, extraticial cells stimulating hormone, GnRH and anti-GnRH, gonadotropic hormone. So, ang gonadotropic hormone ay dalawang hormone. So, this gonadotropic hormone is responsible for the estrous cycle. So, ano po ito? Follicle stimulating hormone at luteinizing hormone. So, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone occur saan yan? Only in male, only in females, only in male. So, both male and females. Ang tawag dyan is both male and females. So, the act of giving birth on those is ano nga yun? Those is goat kidding. So, what do you call the pregnancy time from conception to birth? Pregnancy time, anong tawag dyan? From conception, sexual intercourse to birth. So, anong tawag dyan is parturition. Parturition is act of giving birth. Fertilization is the egg and the sperm unite. Gestation is yung pagsabak ng mother. This is the time gestation period. So, ang tamang sagot, service period, walang service period. Ang tamang sagot dito is pregnancy time is gestation period. Which of the following hormone cause short estrous cycle? Short estrous cycle or abortion? Anong cause dito? Follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. This two is for anong sinasabi ko kanina is our estrous cycle or estrous period. Ito yung hormone na nag-i-inhibit. So, prostaglandin is hindi niya minamatured yung ovary. So, pinipigilan niya yung ovary na mag-matured. Calcitonin, so di ko yan alam, calcium, from word calcium sa bones. Ang tamang sagot dito is prostaglandin. Testosterone, blank. Blank is testosterone. Stimulate the growth of male genitalia. Okay. Is needed for sperm maturation. Totoo. Needed for development of secondary sex characteristic. Causes greater muscle development. So, ang testosterone is itong lahat na to, all of the above. What does it mean when the dam is first trimester? What does it mean when the dam is first trimester? Trimester means last 3 weeks of pregnancy, first 3 days of pregnancy, first 3 months of the pregnancy, last 3 months of the pregnancy. So, ang trimester is 3 buwan yan. Trimester, 3 months. So, ang tamang sagot dito is first 3 months of pregnancy. What hormone initiate lactation or stimulate the secretion of milk? What hormone initiate lactation or stimulate the secretion of milk? Oxytocin, calcitonin, lactose, prolactin. So, sinabi ko kanina, ang oxytocin is responsible para ma-release yung isa sa responsible pero meron talagang hormone initiate in lactation and secretion of milk. Ang hormone na to is prolactin. The rupturing of follicle is referred to as Graafian termination, endometrios, oogenesis, ovulation. Ang tawag dyan is rupturing ovulation. Rupturing meaning matured na siya, so i-release na siya. Shedding, parang ganon, ruptured. So, ang tawag dyan is ovulation. After the egg leaves the ovary, it goes to saan siya dadaan? Oviduct, uterus, na vagina, vulva. Oviduct po. Oviduct is from the ovary to ito yung daanan, oviduct or fallopian tube or infundibulum. So, dyan. Oviduct. What hormone stimulate testosterone production? What hormone stimulate testosterone production? So, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, prolactin, calcitonin. Prolactin sa pag-release ng milk, calcitonin is sa bone, follicle stimulating hormone, this hormone responsible para sa estrocycle. Ang luteinizing hormone is if sa male, dito nag-i-stimulate ang testosterone production po, luteinizing hormone. Once a follicle has its egg, it develop into corpus luteum. So, which of the corpus luteum? So, develop into endometrium, trigger menstruation, develop more eggs, secrete hormone progesterone, which maintain the uterine lining, trigger ovulation. So, ito po, secrete the hormone progesterone, which contain uterine lining. So, yun nga yung sinasabi ko, if matured na yung egg, so, ika-cover siya, mag-travel siya, at didikit siya doon sa endometrium. Yun yung endometrium, yun yung maging regla ng babae. Kaya nga, kung mag-study tayo sa reproductive, so ito po, ang tamang sagot is secrete the hormone progesterone which contain the uterine lining. The body that form over a follicular cavity and aids in the maintenance in the pregnancy. So ano po ang dyan? Ovarian follicle, infundibulum, corpus luteum, horn of the uterus. Horn of the uterus is the ovary. Yan po, yung 'di ba, yung may horn of uterus, infundibulum, din ovaries. So, hindi, cancel na po to. Infundibulum is the daanan ng egg. Infundibulum, fallopian tube yun. Graafian follicle is doon yan sa ovary. So, saan ang magmi-maintenance during pregnancy? Yung corpus luteum. Yung egg na na-fertilize, ika-cover niya ang corpus luteum kasama ng placenta. The degree of homozygous gene in offspring can be increased by degree of homozygous. What method of breeding? Homozygous is pure breeding. Example, pure breeding. Anglonobian, paano mo ma-preserve yung Anglonobian na breed? So, upgrading and crossbreeding. Upgrading is native plus hybrid. So, mawala na yun. Heterozygous na yan. Crossbreeding, same. Hybrid po yung kinalabasan. Criss-cross, hindi. Crossbreeding, hindi. Upgrading and line breeding, hindi. Cross-breeding and line breeding. So, ito po, bakit ang tamang sagot is cross-breeding and line breeding? upgrade kasi native pa rin. Pero may crossbreeding nga. Anglo-Nubian, Pilipinas, Anglo-Nubian din ng US. Parang ganun. Crossbreeding din yun. Kahit hindi sila magkapamilya, pero pareha sila ng breed. Crossbreeding. Ang line breeding is yung may bloodline talaga sila na family sila. So, ganun. 63 so nakalimutan. So 64, the inner of the uterus is called the inner of the uterus. Yung inner layer is tinatawag na endometrium. A young animals from birth to weaning. A young animal from birth to weaning, anong tawag dyan? Is zygote, baby animals, suckling, weaning. Anong tawag niyan? Ang tawag dyan is suckling. So, nagdididi pa sila sa biik or sa baboy. Suckling po ang tawag dyan. When artificial insemination occurs, a technician should deposit the semen in the vagina at the point of the cervix and uterus meet in the uterus in the cervix. So, if mag-artificial insemination, diba, gumagamit tayo ng parang may rod dito tapos may line, tapos dahan-dahan natin ipasok sa vagina to cervix. So, saan natin i-deposit yung sperm natin? So, hindi natin mapasok-pasok yung uterus kasi ang uterus is protected yan ng cervix. Kaya nga, at the point of the cervix and uterus meet, dyan po. Hindi rin sa cervix. If dito sa cervix ka mag-deposit, may chance na mamamatay kasi dadaan pa siya sa meron pa siyang daanan. So, mataas din yung cervix. So, doon talaga, if mag-artificial insemination ka, to the point of cervix, to the uterus meet. What is the purpose of vesicular, prostate, and bulbourethral gland in male reproductive organ? Secrete fluid, aid in the sperm mobility and transport, initiate spermatogenesis, provide nutrition, all of the above. Ang purpose po ng vesicular, prostate, and bulbourethral gland is secrete sila ng fluid ng sperm to mobility and transport. The process of separating the young animal from its dam is called, anong tawag? The process of separating the young animal from its dam is weaning, culling, selection, suckling. Culling is after, dito yan sa RTL or a term na if na tapos na siya sa kanyang use, kinakal, selection. Ang tamang sagot dito is weaning. What is the ideal calving interval for matured cow? What is the ideal calving for interval for matured cow? Parang hindi. Yung question nito, so mali. So, parang ganito. May mga question sa board exam pa, parang ganito. Ito, good example to na yung question, tapos iba yung given na answer. So, if ganun, wala kayong choice is para sa akin, yung if ako magawa ng sagot, nandito lang yan sa B at C. Hindi rin A, hindi rin D. Paminsan-minsan, nandyan lang. Pick na lang kayo, B or C. If di nyo talaga alam. So, placenta produce blank. Placenta produce blank. HCG, progesterone and estrogen. Anti-estrogen hormone to shut down the uterine cycle. Fetal blood cells. Fetal blood cells. Ang placenta is progesterone and estrogen po. Young animal after separation from its dam. Young animal separation after its dam is anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is weanlings. Weanlings po. Yung separation is weaning. Yung anong tawag sa na-separate na? Weanling. So, in the female reproductive tract, what do prostaglandin regress? Ano po nire-regress ng prostaglandin? So, oxytocin, estrogen, prolactin, corpus luteum. Corpus luteum po, nire-regress niya kasi if may corpus luteum niya, meaning pregnant na po yung babae. So, kaya nga sa pills ng babae, prostaglandin, nire-regress niya ang pagbubuntis. So, hindi niya dinidevelop ng matured yung ovary at saka nire-regress niya yung corpus luteum. Kasi ang corpus luteum, yan yung nagmi-maintain para mabuhay yung bata. So, which of the following method can be used or determined in pregnancy? Ultrasound, rectal palpitation, failure to hit, come to in hit, blood test. So, ang tawag dyan is all of the above. So, ultrasound, rectal palpitation, failure to come in hit. So, if pig is hindi na siya nag-in-hit in 21 days, alam mo na pregnant yan. Meron ding mga blood test. Kasi sa blood test, tataas yung estrogen at progesterone level ng babae. So, the period during which the reproductive organ first become functional. So, kailan siya naging kuan? Ang weaning, puberty, fertility, prolificacy. So, prolificacy is the ability to give birth in constant, maramihan, prolific, parang ganun. Fertility is gaano ka-fertile yung isang babae or lalaki. Yung ability niya na, example, if bore, yung fertility percent niya, ilang percent, sa 10 inahin na copulation niya, ilan lang yung nabuntis. Yan yung fertility. Puberty is ito yung pong tamang sagot. A period during the reproductive organ first become functional. Example, sa babae, kailan siya maging puberty? If magregla na sila. Sa lalaki, if merong research, 13 to 15 years old, pwede ka nang maging puberty if matured na yung sperm. So, the act of giving birth or delivery is parturition. So, what is the primary function of vas deferens? Primary function of vas deferens: external opening of the testis, production of sperm cell, set of spermatozoa production, transport spermatozoa from epididymis to urethra. So, yan po, vas deferens. Ang vas deferens po, ito yung atin, di ba? O, yung daanan. Yung daanan. Transport, spermatozoa. Urethra po yung daanan ng ihi natin at saka yung fluid. So, ang tawag dyan is transport po. Yan yung purpose ng vas deferens. The animal's ability to produce fertilizer ova and provide proper environment for initiating cell division and embryonic development. It also the ability to produce large number of sperm and capability of fertilization. Ang tawag dyan is fertility po. Fertility, ability to produce large number of sperm capable of fertilization. Fertility. Fecundity, sterility is baog po to. Fecundity, nakalimutan ko meaning ng fecundity ha. So, in poultry, blank lies nest to the shell and carries on gas exchange. So, anong kwan dyan is, in poultry, lies in the nest of shell and carry the gas exchange. Diba sa mammals is, yung allantois is, daanan siya ng blood vessel. So, saan nag-breathing yung baby sa loob ng tiyan is for dito allantois kasi yung blood vessel nagdadala siya ng oxygen. So kahit na sa tubig siya, yung connected siya nung umbilical cord, allantois po yan. Ngayon in sa poultry, egg lang siya. So lies nest to the shell, carry on gas exchange. Ang tawag dyan is allantois pa rin. So at what stage of parturition do the following event took place? The placenta separate from uterine wall, expulsion of placenta, or after birth. So nandyan na siya sa third phase. If lumabas na yung baby or yung lumabas na yung baby, third phase na yan, yung lalabas na rin ang yun, hypomane or the placenta. If the heat detection rate is 30%, the conception rate is 30%, what is the pregnancy rate? So, ilan? So, nakalimutan ko yung formula ng pregnancy test. Heat detection, 30%. Pero ang tamang sagot nito is 9%. The ability to give birth to spring of numerous young at frequently interval. Anong tawag yan? Ability to give birth, spring, numerous young at frequent interval. So, madali lang siya mabuntis. Sunod-sunod yung pag-anak niya. Fecundity po ang tawag niyan. Fecundity. Blank collects the nitrogen waste in poultry. Blank collect the nitrogenous waste in poultry. Amnion, chorion, extraembryonic membrane, yolk sac, allantois. Ang tawag is allantois. Allantois pa rin. Which of the following hormone black milk let down? Which of the following hormone black milk let down? Adrenaline. Oxytocin, prostaglandin, prolactin this is the hormone need para sa pag-secrete ng milk. Oxytocin, prostaglandin, prolactin. Ang hindi lang is adrenaline. What do you call the lining of the uterus? Endometrium. What specific part of male anatomy that is responsible for producing sperm? Producing sperm, testes, syniferous tubules, epididymis, ampulla. So, ang tamang sagot nito is syniferous tubule. Diyan po ang factory ng sperm. Producing sperm. Syniferous tubules. Trophoblast give rise to the amnion, chorion, allantois, placenta, neurola. Ang tawag dyan is chorion po. Trophoblast. What is the hollow cavity found inside the teats called? Hollow cavity, yung daanan ng milk, epithelial cells, teat cistern, lymph nodes. Lymph node is loci. So, gland cistern. So, ang tawag dyan is teat cistern. Gene pair that are identical are called, anong tawag? Homozygous, heterozygous, dominant, recessive. Ang tawag dyan is homozygous. Identical sila. Example, malaking B. If hetero, dominant at saka recessive. So, the ability to produce large number of offspring per parturition is prolificacy. Ang fecundity is magbibigay siya ng maraming anak na sunod-sunod. Fecundity. Example, sa 1 year, ilan beses siya ng anak, parang ganon. Ang prolificacy is gaano ka siya karami ng anak, ganon. The meeting of sire to daughter, son to dam, brother to sister is an example of inbreeding, close breeding, line breeding. Anong tawag dyan? Tawag dyan is sobrang lapit na po. Close breeding. Inbreeding to lahat. Line breeding yan lahat. Pero ito malapit sa papa to daughter, anak na lalaki sa mama, brother to sister. This is close breeding. So, in science, hindi po to hindi po to nire-recommend kasi lumalabas yung mga daming yung law ni Gregor Mendel, law of independent assortment, yung mga gene natin, lalabas yung mga sakit, yung mga mutation, so ganun. So, the blood vessel of allantois becomes the, anong tawag? Blood vessel of allantois becomes the heart, umbilical cord, dorsal aorta, and vena cava, placenta. So, this is the umbilical cord, yung allantois. Approximately, how many days after fertilization does the ovum migrate to the uterus? So, if na-fertilize na siya, dito siya magmamigrate sa uterus in 1 to 2 days, 4 to 6 days, 6 to 10 days, 11 to 14 days. Magmamigrate siya in 4 to 6 days. The inability to produce normal young is sterility. Sterile. What is the cavity in which an egg develop in the ovary? The cavity an egg develop in the ovary. Fallopian tube, oviduct. Fallopian tube, oviduct, same lang yan. Corpus luteum is matured na siya. Pag-release niya, na-fertilize siya, ibabalutin siya, pupunta siya sa uterus. So, hindi. Ang tawag dyan, ma-develop siya in the follicle. What happened to the cervix of the dam during estrus and in pregnancy? Expand, close, remain intact. Mag-close po yan, yung cervix, mag-close. Mag-close siya din. Magsisecrete siya ng fluid. Always siya magsisecrete ng fluid para yung mga bacteria always siya lalabas. Ganun. Umbilical arteries carries oxygenated blood to the placenta, deoxygenated mixed material and fetal. So, umbilical arteries carries the deoxygenated, yung nagamit na oxygen is dito. Which hormone causes the formation of corpus luteum? Ang corpus luteum hormone causes the corpus luteum is luteinizing hormone. Dito po yan. Corpus luteum, luteinizing hormone. Failure to copulate is termed as, ang tawag yan, copulation is yung act of mating, di ba? May failure to copulate, ang tawag yan is impotency. Kung sa tao, impotency, walang bayag, parang ganun. Impotency. Fetus receive oxygen and nutrients from mother by the way of extended respiratory and digestive tube from the mother organ system, mixing fetal and maternal blood in the placenta. Placenta without blood exchange, storage of the yolk, diffusion of oxygen across amniotic fluid. Ang tamang sagot, placenta without blood exchange. The process of removing primary sex to the male organ is castration po ang tawag yan. Hormone that cause uterus to contract are hormone that causes uterus to contract: estrogen and progesterone, oxytocin and prostaglandin, prolactin and progesterone, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Ito po is oxytocin and prostaglandin. Meaning sa uterus to contract, ito yung mga pills natin, oxytocin at prostaglandin, na i-release niya yung endometrium or lining para hindi mabuntis. Yan yung regla. So, in nucleic acid, the purine nitrogen base are the purine, uracil and thymine, cytosine and guanine, thymine and cytosine, adenine and guanine, guanine and thymine. Napakahirap. So, if ganito, hindi natin alam. Sige lang. Nucleic acid, the purine nitrogen base is adenine and guanine. Which element occur in the nucleic acid? Nucleic acid occur what element? Calcium, phosphorus, manganese, sulfur, iron. Phosphorus po, mayroon po siyang phosphorus doon sa nucleic acid. The process of removing the primary sex organ of the female animal is castration pag lalaki. Pag female animal is spaying. Vasectomy, yung egg natin at saka yung daanan, pinutol yun. Parang vas deferens pinutol. Neuter, di ko alam yan kung ano yan. Spaying po. The group of molecules called nucleotide contain. Anong contain niya? Phosphate, pyrimidine, purine, pentose, 5-carbon sugar. Pentose po ang sa nucleotides. So, ang tamang sagot dito is all of the above. Yung group of nucleotides, so, nag-contain po nito. So, saan po yan? Sa DNA po yan natin. Nucleotide sa DNA po yan, or RNA. So, alternate form of gene having the same position on a pair of chromosome and affecting the same trial are called, anong tawag niyan? So, ang tawag dyan is loci, alleles, chromatids, genotypes. Alternate form of gene having the same position is alleles. Genetic mutation occur in DNA, RNA, chromosome, ribosome. Genetic mutation occur in DNA, dinucleotide acid, DNA. The genetic factor blank during the formation of the gamete. The genetic factor during formation of the gametes is, yun nga ito, the genetic factor during formation of gametes is, anong mangyayari? Nag-segregate sila. Yun nga, ang law of segregation. Independent assortment ni Gregor Mendel. Yung DNA nagsisegregate. Capital letter indicates an allele of, capital letter is dominant yan. Ang small letter is recessive. If an animal is heterozygous in genetic makeup for a specific trait, what is the term used to describe the gene that causes the animal phenotype of that trait? Anong tawag? Tawag dyan is dominant, superior, recessive, codominant. Heterozygous, meron siyang, so ang tawag dyan is dominant pa rin. Dominant plus recessive. Blank means that the two member of allelic pair in the zygote are the same. Homozygous po. The same po sila, homozygous. The member of each allelic pair separate during. Kailan po sila kailan po sila nagsiseparate? Example, di ba yung isang cells tapos parang maganon. Kailan sila magsiseparate? Mitosis, meiosis. Meiosis po. Ang mitosis po is i-replicate lang niya yung cells. Replication. Pero if may separation during the sexual meeting, yung egg at saka yung sperm, mag-mix sila dito, yung mangyayari, yung meiosis. After na makabuo sila ng kanilang nucleotide or doon magre-replicate sila through mitosis. So, una is meiosis. So, ang tawag dyan, nagsiseparate sila during meiosis. Blank are the heterozygous for only one pair of allele. Anong tawag dyan? Only one pair of allele. Autosomal dominant, X-linked, X-crossed, dihybrid, monohybrid. Monohybrid lang po. So, the expected ratio of monohybrid is 3:1 po. Monohybrid. Hybrid. Example, alam niyo na yan sa genetics. So, nandito na tayo sa topic ng genetics. So, 3:1 monohybrid. Example, 3 dominant, isang recessive. Ito po. Kaya 3. Example, ano bang pinaka-the best example nito ha? Dapat hindi flowers. Example, baldness. Ang baldness, makikita lang yan sa lalaki na gene. May 4 na anak ka. Isang lalaki is recessive yan gene, di ba? Bald siya. Tapos yung 3 is babae. Nagko-contain din sila ng baldness. Pero hindi sila mabald. Kaya pa ba? Sige, baka hindi na kaya na sige, stop tayo sa 120. If an offspring has a characteristic that neither parents has, the characteristic is, anong tawag yan? Wala sa both parents. Ang characteristic niyan is recessive. Recessive, must be mutation, hindi rin. Recessive, example, blue eyes. Yung both parents nyo, both parents nyo, walang blue eyes. Siya lang ang nag-blue eyes. Baka may gene doon na recessive sa baka sa parents nyo at saka sa mother or father nyo na may blue eyes pero recessive siya, lumabas sa'yo. Yan. Segregation occur because chromosome separate during meiosis. Yan yung sinasabi, chromosome separate during meiosis. Segregation occur because heterozygous, homozygous, homologous, dominant, and recessive. Homologous po. Homologous. So, independent blank occur because of each pair of homologous chromosomes separate independently of the others. So, law of Grigol-Mendel. Yung sinasabi ko palagi sa iyo, independent assortment. Independent assortment mo yan. All alleles on the same chromosome are said to form an blank group. All alleles in the same chromosome are said to form an segregation, conjunction, assortment, differentiation, linkage. Ang tawag dyan is linkage group. So, 120. A sire that has sufficient unselected information to indicate its transmitting ability is, anong tawag dyan? Sufficient unselected information of indices, its transmitting ability. Ang meaning dito is yung sire has the sufficient unselected information. So, yung mga ang tawag dyan is provinsire. Provinsire po yan. Yung pipili ka na, ito magaling na bore kasi ganito siya ganito yung ability niya, ganito siya based on the record. So, ang tawag dyan is provinsire. Run, shooty, barin is negative yan. Provinsire ang tawag. So, so number 21. The law of independent assortment state that each pair of allele segregation independently of other pairs. All possible combination of factors can occur in the gametes. Both A and B are true. Genetic traits are independent of genes on the chromosome. Any assortment of gene is possible regardless of the parent gene. So, ang totoo lang po, may dalawang statement sa law of independent assortment. Both A and B are true. Each pair of factors segregate independently of other pairs. All possible combination of factor can occur in the gametes. Yan po. Both A and B are true. A blank is when the individual is heterozygous at 2 genes. Anong tawag? Monohybrid. Dalawang gene na siya. Heterozygous, monohybrid, dihybrid, trihybrid, mutant. Dihybrid na po. A 9:3:3:1 ratio is expected for a dihybrid cross when simple dominance is present. Expected to cross when simple dominant is present. So, anong sa 93:3:1, anong makikita? So, genotypic, dominance, phenotypic, polymorphic, backcross. Genotypic is your genes ang phenotypic is the appearance, actual appearance. So, ang tamang sagot is phenotypic. The period during which the animal produced milk from the time of delivery of her young until the normal milk production. So, after siya nanganak, nagsekret siya ng milk until mag-normal yung milk production. So, anong tawag yan? Gestation, parturition, ovulation, lactation. Tawag yan is lactation. It is the process where individual of one sex has an equal chance of meeting with another individual of opposite sex. So, anong tawag niyan? Independent culling method, artificial insemination, random mating, test crossing. So, ang example dito is meron kang isang bull at saka 10 cow. So, random mating po yan. So, pipili siya kung sinong nag-inhit. So, okay, 10:1 ratio. It is a type of breeding system of not so close relative. It is a type of breeding not so close relative. Close breeding, strain breeding, line breeding, cross breeding. Tawag dyan is line breeding. Is not so close relative. Hindi sila close pero relative pa rin sila. So, ang tawag dyan is line breeding. What technique which can be induced with PMSG or combination of follicle or luteinizing hormone? Anong tawag niyan? Embryo transfers, cloning, synchronization, superovulation. Ang tawag dyan is superovulation. Ang tawag dyan is, yun, may mga injectable tayo is example, gonadin. Gonadin yan, product yan. So, pa-inhit po yan. Superovulation. What is the most commonly used system of breeding animal due to increase by growth of offspring? Ano pong mostly common use system of breeding animal due to increase by growth of offspring? Upgrading, inbreeding, pure breeding, crossbreeding. Ang commonly used is inbreeding. It is the totality of the gene that could potentially be transmitted by individual in the population in the next generation. Tawag dyan is gene pool. Total population of the totality of gene. Lahat ng gene ng parents at lahat ng gene ng both male and female. Father mo at saka mother, ang tawag dyan gene pool na mapapasa mo sa'yo. Okay? The process of selecting desirable animal from the herd is selection, culling, copulation, transmission. Copulation is act of mating, transmission hindi. Culling, selection. So, ang culling is removal of undesirable animals from the herd. So, selecting, it is selection. Section is practiced for 2 or more. Selection po yan. Selection is practiced for 2 or more traits at a time by setting minimum standard for each trait. Ano pong tawag dyan? Tandem method, independent culling method, section index method, pedigree method. So, 2 or more traits, tinatanggal siya. So, every now and then, meron kang independent culling ang method po niyan. 31 is independent culling. Most sex-linked genes are on the chromosome. Anong most 6 link? Anong karamihan ng ah, chromosome makikita? So ang parati is X or Y or both are equal. So hindi po equal, mas marami po ang X, female. The strand in the DNA twist about one another, forming a blank. The strand in DNA twist about one another, forming a straight spiral, circular strand of chromatin, broken ladder, left ascending staircase, double helix po yan. The complementary base in DNA are adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine, guanine. So ang tamang sagot always diyan sa combination ng DNA is ETCG. Ang tawag ETCG, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Pwede magka-interchange, thymine, adenine, cytosine, guanine. Hindi po pwede mag-mix yan yung adenine, guanine. So, walang ganun. So, ETCG. Always remember, ETCG. Both A and B ang po ang tamang sagot. DNA is genetic material that replicates, undergo mutation, store information, all of the above po. DNA has 4 types of nucleotides because there are different bases. Ang 4 nucleotide is yung sinasabi ko, ETCG, adenine, thymine, guanine, threonine. So, 4 lang. RNA contain a sugar. Ang tawag sa sugar sa RNA, ribose. A gene is a section of DNA molecule that determine sequence of amino acid. In A, basta amino acid determines. A gene is a section of DNA molecule that determine the sequence of amino acid in A. What? Protein, carbohydrate, nucleotide, nucleic acid, ribosomes. Protein po yan if amino acid. So, protein are synthesis at the blank. So, ginagawa ang protein dun sa saan? Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, Golgi body, plasma membrane. So, this is part of the cell. So, ang tawag dyan, protein synthesis in the ribosome. Ribosomal RNA produced in the is produced in the what? Ribosome, mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi body, plasma membrane. Ang plasma membrane, ito po yung water. Ito yung tinatawag na cytoplasm. Ang Golgi body is mga fats naka-stored. Nucleolus is sa loob ng nucleolus po. So, dyan po ginagawa ang ribosomal RNA produce. Ribosome are composed of RNA and many different type of ribosome is a kind of carbohydrates, protein, fats, sugar, nucleic acid. Protein po yan, ribosome. Protein. The steps of polypeptide synthesis include polypeptide, peptide bond, initiation, elongation, termination, all of the above po. It is a term used to refer to interspecific hybrid of mallard and Muscovy duck. Anong pong tawag? Hybrid between yung pato natin, yung meat type, Muscovy duck, at saka yung itik or bibi natin. So, pinag-cross sila. Ang resulta is what? Drake duck, terminal ducks, Cornish. Ang tawag dyan is mule duck. Mule duck, hindi po. Yung kanilang hybrid is hindi sila makapagparami kasi sterile. Mule duck ang tawag. What is the 2N chromosome number of cattle, bison, and goat? 2N or just like human, ang 2N natin is haploid. Ang 2N natin is 46 chromosome. So, haploid 23 from parents 23 kaya naging pag ganun, pag unite nila through meiosis, naging 46. So, 46 sa atin. Ang cattle, bison, at saka goat, ilan? Chromosome ng goat is 60. What poultry species having 4 pairs of chromosome? 40 pairs of chromosomes. Duck, geese, turkey, quail. So, ang tamang sagot is duck. What law state in an independent large population undergoing random mating gene or genotypic frequency will remain constant from generation to generation provided that there are no selection, migration, mutation, and random genetic drift? Anong tawag niyan? Law of segregation, Hardy-Weinberg law, law of equilibrium population, Mendel's law. So, sinong nag-state niyan? An independent large population undergo random mating gene or genotypic frequency remain constant from generation to generation provides that there are no selection, migration, mutation, and random genetic drift. Ang law na to is Hardy-Weinberg law. Anong example nito? Example sa may isang lugar, may isang barangay doon. Para example, native. Sa kanilang community, sila lang, example, Badjaw, ganun. Silang community, sila lang yung nagmi-mate. Ang law na to, no selection, no migration, and no mutation, and random genetic drift, walang mawala sa genetic. So, nandyan lang, paulit-ulit lang sila. So, anong tawag nito? Sino nag-state nitong na law? Hardy-Weinberg law. The animal produce mating of different breeds of the same time. Species is also known. Produced by mating different breeds. Ang tawag dyan is crossbreed. Anglo-Nubian at saka Boer. The same sila na goat pero iba-iba yung breed. Anglo-Nubian and Boer. Ang tawag dyan is mixed breed, crossbreed, exotic breed, pure breed. Crossbreed po ang tawag. The ability of an animal to pass genetic traits to their offspring is called, anong pong tawag sa ability to transmit, ability of animal to transmit genetic trait? Example, diabetic ako, na-transmit ko sa anak ko, anong tawag yan? Heterosis, heritability, genealogy, backgrounding. Ang tawag niyan is heritability, heritable. Example, diabetic, high blood, stroke is heritable. A male animal that has only one normal size of testicle descended in the scrotum is called cryptorchid po yan, cryptorchid. Unique cryptorchid. Isa lang yung egg. Meron siyang scrotum pero walang egg. Ang isa lang meron. Pero capable pa rin ito na makaproduce ng anak. A hermaphrodite is yung both male and female is presence. Yung may female organ at male organ siya. Pre-Martin, mulefoot. Pre-Martin, di ko alam. Nakalimutan ko ibig sabihin ng pre-Martin. Cryptorchid po ang tamang sagot. Which of the following condition result when the fetal member remain within the uterus of an extended period following parturition? Ano pong mangyayari or anong tawag if yung placenta or the hypomane na nag-remain pa rin after giving birth? Prolapse uterus. Ang prolapse po is nabutbot para na nagisi parang lumaki yung ari, ganun, prolapse siya. Retain ovum, yung ovary ba nandyan, retain placenta, ruptured follicle. Na-ruptured ba, nabutas ba yung follicle sa ovary? Wala. So, ang tawag dyan is retain placenta. Naiwan doon. Each animal inherited certain gene both male and parents. What percentage of gene does an offspring receive from its sire? 50%. Kasi 50-50 tayo. 50 from male from our mother and 50 from our father. What is the hormone that cause uterine contraction to consist in to assist in parturition? So anong tawag, i-contract niya yung uterine contraction? Estrogen, progesterone, prostaglandin, oxytocin. Ang tawag dyan is oxytocin is responsible para mapalabas yung baby sa loob. Oxytocin. Which hormone produced the uterus causes regression of corpus luteum? Prostaglandin. Prostaglandin. Ito po. Diba yung sinasabi ko na i-regress niya yung corpus luteum, prostaglandin. Ito po. PGF. Gonadotropic hormone po. Gonadotropic hormone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. When cow come into heat every few days, she is referred to as Metestrus cystic bitch in heat. So every now and then, every few days mag-inhit siya, ang tawag dyan is cystic. May cyst po, cystic sa cystic ovary. So what is the 6 chromosome configure of a male calf? A 6 chromosome configuration of male calf. Anong tawag? Yung kagaya sa tao at saka yung karabaw, the same lang tayo ng legend ng chromosome X and Y, XY, XX. If babae sa XX, if lalaki is XY. So, ang tamang sagot dito is XY. Walang YY. Cow. What is heritability of milk production in dairy? Heritability of milk production in dairy. Ang heritability of milk in production of dairy is 30% lang po. If yung ganto yung mama niya, 30% lang po ang makuha niya na ability to produce a lot of milk. So if heat detection rate is 30% and conception rate is 30%, what is the pregnancy test? 9% po, di ba? What female hormone cause follicle to begin to develop? Follicle stimulating hormone. If mag-develop tayo ng hormone, example sa tao, di ba? After sila magregla, 1 week after regla, mag-start na din yan ng follicle stimulating hormone. So, mag-develop na sila ng follicle hanggang mag-matured. Kaya, next is luteinizing hormone. Okay, so on and so forth. What is the normal presentation of calf for parturition? Ang nagganon po yung ganon po. Ito yung head ng calf. Dalawa yung legs, nakaganon siya. Front feet forward, rear of the cow with head, no spurs between them. So, one leg forward, rear. So, wala po. Ito po, letter A po. Hind, buttocks, hindi. Nakaganon po yung, dapat yung calf. Yung head, dalawang kamay. One ejaculation of bull typically contain how many sperm? Ang one ejaculation ng isang boar is 5 million sperm. The use of liquid nitrogen in storing sperm and embryo is called cryopreservation po. Cryopreservation. Yung magamit tayo ng liquid nitrogen, malaking tank yan, doon natin i-preserve yung sperm. Cryopreservation. The age at which an animal reaches sexual maturity is called puberty po. Puberty. Protein produced by an animal immune system is responsible in the invasion of bacteria, viruses, and parasite. Protein produced by an animal sa ating immune system to respond the invasion of bacteria, virus, and parasite. Anong tawag yan? Antibodies, vaccine, serum, toxoid. Walang toxoid, walang serum. Vaccine is ni-introduce yan sa body mo. Wala kang ganun. So, ang tawag yan is antibodies to protect bacteria, virus, and parasite. What is the animal resulting from mating of two different breeds? Two different breeds. So, iba-ibang breeds. Kagaya kanina, yung goat is Anglo-Nubian at saka Boer. Ang result is buang. Hindi. Ganun po. Pure breed, line breeding, crossbreeding, peral. Crossbreeding po ang tamang sagot. Which of the following trait has the highest heritability estimate in cattle? Pinakataas po siya ng heritability estimate in cattle. Fertility, winning weight, post-winning rate, number of young win. So, ang pinakataas po ng trait na highest heritability is the ability to kung gaano kalaki yung parents, ganoon din kalaki yung anak. So, ganun. Saan man yan banda? Letter B, winning weight. Winning weight. The record of ancestor of a particular animal is recorded. Anong pong tawag dyan? Performance record, pedigree, phenotype. Phenotype is your physical appearance. Genetic map is na mapping yung kung anong mga genes or mga sakit or mga traits ang nasa inyo. Performance record is your ability, performance label. Pedigree po, i-studyhan po natin yung mga previous from grandfather, great-great-grandfather, parents. So, studyhan po yan. Ang tawag dyan is pedigree. The secretion and milk production in sheep, cattle, and swine, also known as lactation po. Lactation, hindi ovulation, hindi fertilization. Wala pong mamogenesis. Wala po yan. Genesis, origin. Mamo, wala. So, lactation po. The reflex and response that an animal has at birth is, ano po, ay conditioning, intelligence, instinct, psychomotor development. Ang reflex and response of an animal if given birth na siya is instinct po yan. Instinct, hindi po yan ngayon na araw, mga anak na ako, hindi po yan. Instinct lang yan, biglaan lang yan. Pero may mga parturition date na na-develop. So the degree to which the crossbreed offspring outperform in purebred parents is hybrid vigor. Hybrid vigor po yan. Ang crossbreed offspring outperform the purebred parents. Example, upgrading tayo. Native siya. Then, yung native na nanay na crossbreed ng Anglo-Nubian, yung anak niya expected na malaki. So, yung meat quality is improved. So, ang tawag dyan, hybrid vigor. Performance upgrade, performance ratio, hindi. Hybrid vigor po. A selective form of breeding in which the sire and dam are related. Some refer to as mild form of inbreeding, mild outcrossing, crossbreeding, terminal breeding. If parents lang, 1 degree crossbreeding, it is a mild form of inbreeding. Ang tawag dyan is line breeding. The growth and development of animal prior to birth is pre-gestation, prenatal, placental, embryonic development. Ang tamang sagot is prenatal. Kaya during sa mama, yung pagbuntis po yung nanay natin, nagpe-prenatal po siya. Kinitingnan ang growth and development of animal prior to birth. Prenatal po. Beef, cattle, and sheep born without horns are commonly known to as hornless, polled, scored, unpolled. Ang tawag po is polled. Polled. Wala po siyang horn. Polled. The mating of animal of different family lines within the same breed is outcrossing, castration, line breeding, crossbreeding. Crossbreeding po, iba pong example, Poros Pinoy, ganon. Pero iba-ibang family, ganon. Ang tawag dyan is crossbreeding pa rin. The removal of testicle from the male animal is castration po, castration. Pag chicken po, caponization pag chicken or poultry. A permanent change in phenotypic of an offspring from that of its parents. Ano pong tawag? Permanent change of that parents. So na-change po ang physical appearance niya, mutation, mitosis, heterotosis, dominance is na-change, permanent change. Ang tawag dyan is mutation. Example, sa phenotypic ratio is example, albino. Sa inyong family, walang albino. Na-change lang siya kasi may mutation. Albino is wala siyang melanin or absence of melatonin hormone, something ganun, na wala siyang pigment, walang black pigment, brown, wala. White talaga. So, ganun din. So, ang tawag dyan is mutation. How much genetic on average are received from great parents? Great parents. Ang tawag. If yung papa mo is ikaw yung 1, papa mo is 1/2, yung lolo mo is 1/4, yung great parents mo is 1/8. What gametes do male animal deposit? What gamete do male animal deposited? What gametes? Gametes po is gametes po, yan po yung vagina at saka penis. What gametes do male animal deposited? So saan po dina-deposit yung sa male, yung penis, saan? Sa vagina po. Hindi sa cervix, hindi sa ovary, hindi sa uterus. Vagina po. Diyan po pinapasok. What gametes do male animal does not come into heat? What gametes do male animal does not come into in heat? Okay. So, ang example po dito, anong gametes or hormone or something makapag-trigger sa male animal into in heat. Pero ang question dito is not. So, testosterone, okay. Mataas yung testosterone mo, mataas yung sex drive. Progesterone, ganun din. Androsterone, ganun din. So, sperm lang po ang hindi. What is the main reason of an animal does not come into in heat? Anestrus, disease, pregnant, hormonal imbalance. If ano sa palagay nyo, may disease, anestrus, hormonal imbalance, ang tawag dyan is pregnant. Pag pregnant na, hindi na po yan mag-in-heat. Hindi na po yan mag-in-heat. Take note, pag pregnant, hindi na po yan mag-in-heat. Hindi kagaya sa tao na anong tawag sa kagaya ng rabbit na dyan lang sila mag-in-heat during the actual meeting. Induce in heat. Same sa tao. Ang sa pig is regular talaga. Every 21 days mag-in-heat sila. Ganun. Hindi sila mag-in-heat pag hindi darating ng 21 days kahit may male pa. So sa tao, induce tayo kagaya ng rabbit. What is stored in half cc straw? Half cc straw. What is the stored in half cc straw? So may mga ganong question na di natin alam. Kaya ang tamang sagot is semen, corpus luteum, hormone, vitamins. So cc straw is yung what is stored in half cc straw. Cc straw is yung sa catheter, parang ganon, sa AI, ang tawag dyan is semen. In liquid, what liquid is semen stored? Saan po stored? So, yung cryopreservation, anong nandun is nitrogen. In female reproductive tract, where are the muscular ring found? Muscular ring found in the cervix. Yung Ito yung cervix, yung may ring diyan, ring. Ang tawag diyan is cervix. Hindi sa vagina, hindi oviduct, hindi vulva. Vulva is yung example, ito yung vagina. Yung nasa labas, physical appearance, yan tawag yan is vulva. Yung overall na yan, kasama ang loob, vagina. Pagpunta mo doon may ring, parang may mga giring-giring, cervix. Ang oviduct is nandun po siya sa ovary. Ang oviduct is fallopian tube at saka infundibulum, the same lang po yan. So, what organ produce the egg? What organ produce the egg? Ovaries po, hindi oviduct. Oviduct is infundibulum, infundibulum, fallopian tube yan. Daanan lang yan, isa lang yan tube. So, ang egg is produced in the ovaries. What is dystocia? What is dystocia? Dystocia is difficult to birth. Hormonal imbalance, difficulty of birth. Difficulty of birth is named as dystocia. Remember, dystocia is difficulty of birth. So, what serve as a gateway between the uterus and the vaginal? Ito, gateway. Uterus to. Dito, yung baby, pag ma-pregnant ka, dyan lalaki. Ito, vagina, sa labas. Ang between nila is cervix. Cervix po. What is the tube that carry the egg to the uterus? Ito, ang ovary. Ito ang ovary. Dito tayo, di ba? Ovary. So, after ovary is oviduct or infundibulum or fallopian tube. So, yan. What tube is fallopian tube? After the uterus. Fallopian tube po, hindi vulva, hindi vagina, hindi cervix. Sabi ko nga, yung vulva sa labas. Ang appearance, vulva yan. Ang kabuuan, kasama ang loob is vagina. After ng vagina is cervix, may tube na may ring. What connects cervix with the vulva? Cervix with the vulva. Tawag is ovary, vagina, vulva, oviduct. Oviduct, hindi. Ovary, malayo yan. Vagina, cervix is vagina po, vulva, yung sinabi ko. Vulva, vagina, cervix, uterus, oviduct, infundibulum, at saka fallopian tube, the same lang yung tatlo, at saka ovaries. So, the release of egg is called, anong release of ovulation po ang tawag po niyan? Ovulation. Parturition is act of giving birth. Copulation is meeting. Gestation is yung pagbubuntis. Ovulation po ang release ng egg. The hormone responsible for pituitary gland that result in maturation of egg, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulate FSH po. Follicle stimulating hormone. Pituitary gland, the responsible for matured of egg. Pag matured na, after nyan, luteinizing hormone because of the corpus luteum. Follicle stimulating hormone. What do you call the hormone that stimulate the development and maintenance of the feminine sexual characteristic? Ikaw, babae, anong marami sa'yo? Bakit feminine yung sexual characteristic mo? Because of the oxytocin, egg-cell, prolactin, estrogen. Estrogen po, ito po yung mga hormone ng babae. Kaya nga mas makinis yung balat nila kaysa sa lalaki. Estrogen po yan, estrogen. So, what does the placenta fully attach to the wall of the uterus approximately of how many weeks after fertilization fully attached to the wall? Yung placenta fully attached to the wall of the uterus, naka-attach na siya in how many weeks? 15 weeks, 21 weeks, 35 weeks, 50 weeks. Ang tamang sagot is 21 weeks. The connects, kaya nga sa pagbubuntis, ang dami nating titingnan. Example, yung egg, na-release na siya, pero hindi siya pumunta sa uterus, nandito siya, na-trap sa fallopian tube. Kaya nga yung iba, sinasurgical yan. Kasi if lalaki ang bata, nandun sa fallopian tube, tendency mamatay yung mother because of burst, prolapse of the fallopian tube. Kaya dapat sa mga doktor, sa mga OB-GYN, tinitingnan nila yung sa ultrasound, saan yung movement ng bata. So, saan siya nakadikit. If ganyan, ang mangyayari, resetahan niya ng pampalaglag. Or, hindi kaya, surgical. So, ganun. So, mahirap din. The connects what to productive organ. The connects what to productive organ. Clitoris, vagina, ovary, oviduct, uterus and vagina, uterus and ovary. So, the connection of to reproductive organ. Ang tamang sagot po dito is uterus at saka vagina. So, ito lang yung malapit to R. What do you call the sperm mixed with fluid from the accessories gland? Anong tawag po? Testosterone, semen, seminal vesicle gland. Ang tawag dyan is semen. Between two structure is the umbilical cord attached. Between two structure is the umbilical cord attached in infundibulum and oviducts. Hindi. Placenta and fetus, horn of the uterus and uterus body, cervix and vulva. Ang umbilical cord po is naka-attach siya sa fetus at sa placenta. Ang placenta po is yan yung nagbalot, 'di ba, sa egg. Yan yung corpus luteum natin na naging placenta. The infundibulum is the funnel-like membrane that surround the ovary. What is the purpose? Passage of the egg to the uterus, site of fertilization. Catch the egg when it is released by the ovary, sperm receptacle. Anong tawag? So, the main purpose of infundibulum, oviduct, and anong tawag ng fallopian tube is catches the egg when it is released by the ovary. Yun lang talaga purpose niya, i-catch yung egg. So, regardless of the sperm, kung site ba yan ng fertilization, kasi minsan yung site of fertilization is nandun nangyayari sa uterus. So, ganun. Depende. So, may depending scenario. So, what is unique about homozygous genetic dominance of WW? Homozygous dominant gene is hybrid. Hindi po yan hybrid. Homozygous pure breed po yan. Homozygous dominant gene is superior breed. Walang sinasabi. Homozygous dominant gene WW is lethal. So, ano pong unique ng WWB? Ang pinaka-unique sa homozygous genetic dominant code of WW is gene is lethal. Yan po, lethal. Nakakamatay pong What do you call the sex-linked trait that characterized by inability of an animal blood clot? So, ito po yung mga sakit po ng mga royal blood nila Queen Elizabeth. Wala silang inability if masugatan sila, wala silang ability sa kanilang platelets na i-stop yung sugat. So, anong tawag niyan? Blood fever, ketosis, hemophilia, sickness. Ang tawag dyan is hemophilia. If bawal nga yan sila masugatan. If masugatan sila, hindi mag-stop yung bleeding. So, yan, totoo yan. Hemophilia po. Sakit ng mga royal because of the gene of Queen Elizabeth. It is a gene change or a sudden variation of a gene which is later passed on to the offspring to inheritance. So, a gene change. If may gene change, ano ang tawag nun is mutation. Mutation. Gene change. sudden variation of the gene. Tawag dyan is mutation. Yung sinasabi ko example is albinism. Wala silang melatonin or melanin na responsible for black or brown or yellowish pigmentation. So, mutation. The process of eliminating undesirable animal from the herd. Eliminating undesirable animal from the herd is called culling po. Culling. So, thank you and fucking the end. So, tapos na po tayo sa isa. So, madami pa tayong subject na pag-aaralan sa animal science. Antabay lang po. So, maraming pong salamat.